What's going on, everybody? My name is Karam Khalil, and in this video I'm going to be talking to those who are between the ages of 12 years old to 18 years old, and I'm going to be sharing with you how I started at the age of 12 years old flipping electronics, then 15 years old flipping cars, and then 18 years old flipping houses, and how you can do exactly that. Now, the main purpose of this video is to motivate you, encourage you, and let you take action. I am seeing so many young hustlers paralyzing themselves because they keep saying that they can't. And remember, if you got any value from this video, please don't forget to hit the like button. Now let's get right into it. I see too many of you guys saying that you are too young. Nobody's gonna take me seriously. Nobody's gonna wanna talk to me. My voice isn't deep enough and they're just hanging up on me. That is all excuses that I'm hearing from you. At the age of 12 years old, I began flipping electronics. How did I do that if my voice wasn't deep? How did I do that if I was too young? It wasn't an excuse in my head. I took action, I started doing it, and I started experiencing and learning from it. Now, the truth is, if you're the one who's saying that you're too young and you can't do it, or you're saying that your voice isn't deep enough and you can't get taken seriously, the truth is, guys, those are excuses for you not to take action and stay behind a screen and keep watching videos to learn. I believe that if you're somebody who takes action, you will always end up somewhere rather than nowhere. Right now, I could stay on my computer, keep watching YouTube videos, keep on learning things online, but if I never took the action, I'm never gonna know how to actually do it. So the first point, for those of you who keep saying that you're too young, take that out of the dictionary. Stop saying that. That's an excuse. The next one that so many of the youngsters say is they don't have any money. They don't have even $10. Their parents don't give them any money. They don't know how to get money. And I share with you guys on my YouTube channel, on my TikTok page, on all the pages that I have, I share so many ways that you can make money even if you have $0. I share with you the easiest thing that you can possibly do with $0, which was creating flyers for real estate agents. If you made an excuse and said that you can't do that, I then told you that you can go to Craigslist, click on the free section, and pick up free items, literally free items, and relist them. People made excuses for that. Guys, if you really want to make money, you can make money. It's not that hard. You could possibly just walk around your house, find small things on the floor, list it on the market, and there you go, you now got money. So the excuse of I got no money, please take that out of your vocab, because that's not the case. If you wanted to make money, you can make money. And the best indication is come to my YouTube page, go to my TikTok account, follow me on there, and you're gonna learn so many ways as a young hustler to make more money. Now, the next point I hear is so many people say that my parents don't allow me to do it. My parents keep saying that they want me to focus on school. My parents keep telling me to not get distracted. My parents. Number one. Wait, this is number two. Number one, respect your parents. We already know that. We're not gonna go over or teach that. You already know to respect your parents. Number two, you need to know that if your parents don't want you to do something, you need to find out why. If they're saying it distracts you from school, show them it doesn't. Show them you still got good grades and you can still make money. Number three, if your parents keep saying that they don't want you to do something to make money, well then tell them if you're not gonna let me, then you might as well give me money. That's number three. And number four, if they insist for you to not go out and do things and to learn and experience, then you need to sit with them, actually sit with them, be mature about it, and explain to them what it is that you're trying to do and why you're trying to do it. And even then, they're like, this is a kid, he doesn't even know what he's talking about. This is a kid, I'm not even gonna listen to him. This kid thinks he knows it all. And that's not the case for you, because you're a young, true hustler, but your parents might not see that. That's okay. It happened to me. It happens to millions around the world, but you have to be smarter than that and stop making "my parents won't let me" as an excuse to not do anything. And the final and most important point, guys, is stop saying that you can't. So many of you are saying, I can't do it because of this. 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 You just keep saying I can't. Why not say I can? Why not say I'll try? Why not say I'ma figure this out? So many like excuses to sit around and not do anything. At 12 years old, I was hustling and I was flipping electronics. At 15 years old, I was hustling and I was flipping cars. At 18 years old, I was hustling and I was flipping houses. At 12, I didn't say I have no money and no one's gonna take me serious. At 15, I didn't say how am I gonna buy a $6,800 car. I made it happen. And at 18, I didn't say that I don't have $120,000. I went and I found it. Stop saying you can't and start doing. And my final word of advice for all of you is start now. It's better than later. Start today, studying, learning, finding the field that you like, mastering it, researching it, reading about it, and indulging yourself into that, because if you start now, you're gonna win later. Now to wrap up this video, guys, stop making excuses, take action, experience. Go out and keep trying and learning, and don't be scared to fail. I failed so many times with so many startup companies. I lost thousands and thousands of dollars. I lost opportunities. I was so distracted doing a million things, but one thing I did not stop, and that was taking action and starting early. And that's exactly what I want you to do. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it helped you. I'll see you in the next one. Go hustle, young hustlers, and I'll see you later. I'm out.